Hey guys, well, we're opening a evolution pack. Only had enough for one, so let's get right into it.
Actually, yeah, you can give away the code.
Code.
I'll give away the code at the end.
I'll put it. Are you guys gonna voice over this?
No.
Well, no, I think you might have to.
Okay.
I didn't. It doesn't really matter.
See you.
We're at league.
Hollywood.
We're at league, so it's pretty much. Oh, that's.
Ooh, hollow Garbrodors.
Reverse hollow.
Ooh, can I shoot for the ready?
Okay, guys.
And the code.
I want to go see how much I have. Now we're opening up 2 more Primal Clash packs. So here's Jacob's. This thing is. Sorry.
I'm just gonna take mine out of the cardboard now.
Alright, we have a Garbrodor art pack. And so we have a code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I think that's gonna be a good pack.
I'll move the trash out of the way.
Honedge, Electrike, Drillbur, Skitty, Rhyhorn, Buffalo, ooh, rare candy, the Barrel, Reverse of Rhyhorn, and a Groudon regular rare. So next, it's Jacob's turn.
Now it's my turn. I just took mine out of the cardboard. Here's the cardboard, so you know I didn't cheat or anything. The Mega Aggron pack. So I'm gonna give you guys my code too. I saw the green code for a second, and I thought that, or I saw the white code, and I thought that meant something. Okay. Here's your code. Hopefully, let us know what you guys get in this. Free from the back. Ooh, Bidoof. That's Bidoof for the win. Grovile.
He's gonna get something good.
Lantern. Hippopotas. Electrike. Feebas. Skitty. Trico. Reverse Dynamo.
You hear Pokemon? Yeah. Awesome.
A hollow Crawdon. That's really good. I need a sleeve. I need this actually. I'm gonna use it.
I'll get you a sleeve.
That's a really nice pool. Its ability when you evolve from your
Take this
hand.
Primal Clash.
It's good. This dude that went to our league played that.
Yep. When you play this Pokemon from your hand to evolve one of your Pokemon, you may discard any energy attached to your opponent's active Pokemon. I played this in a Porygon Z deck online. Really fun. Okay, that wraps this video up, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Can I rip this?